design and comfort. In 2014, companies were only beginning to figure out how to make wearables less bulky, something that you'd actually want to wear in public. The Gear Fit was a step in the right direction, but still a way off. The Gear Fit 2 keeps the general aesthetic of the original, a good thing, and makes it better by mixing up old and new ingredients, to make it easier to use and more capable, to boot. The curved, rectangular screen is surrounded by frosted metal trim in the color of your choosing and backed with sweat and water-resistant plastic where it touches your wrist. You'll find two buttons on the side of the Gear Fit 2 that point toward your hand. One is used to navigate back within a menu and the other is used to power the device on and off, as well as bring up the settings menu. Additionally, the power button can be programmed to execute a task out of an assortment of options with a double click. I set it to open the music player controls, a function that I couldn't live without with the Microsoft Band 2. Attached to the Gear Fit 2 itself is a silicone band which, like the casing, comes in a variety of colors including black, an additional band to switch the style up. Though there is a pretty drastic shift in build materials used with the Gear Fit 2, it all comes together seamlessly in a visual sense. A little more eloquently than, say, the Microsoft Band 2. Flipped over, the heart rate monitor comes into view. If you're into the nitty-gritty of how this particular wrist-based heart rate tracking works, it's called photoplethysmography. Just like many other wearables, including the Apple Watch and Microsoft Band, the Gear Fit 2 uses infrared light blasters and green LEDs to track the rate of blood flow. One of the biggest design improvements over the original Gear Fit is the way in which it charges. We hate carrying more cables around than is absolutely necessary, so the fact that Samsung's 2014 wearable needed a proprietary connector was a bummer.